Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPhone if your iPhone is on the recovery mode and stuck on the Apple logo and death screen. And if you have any issue on your iPhone, I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPhone without losing any of your data from your iPhone. And now as you can see, my iPhone is currently stuck on the recovery logo, and if your iPhone is stuck on the recovery logo and if your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo, I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So this is a very simple method to fix your iPhone at home. So let's get start the video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you need a software which is called Phone Keeper by AceThinker. So as you can see, I have installed the software I'm going to show you. And also you need a restore file which you can download from the website. So I'm going to show you how you can download these both files. So you can go to the browser, as you can see, link will be in description. You can go to the AceThinker website and you can download the AceThinker Phone Keeper software from here, and also you can download the restore file from the iClarified website. So let me show you the website. So as you can see here, you can see the files are here. You can download your iPhone, which your iPhone you're using, like if you're using 6s, iPhone 12 or any, just click on the file and you will able to download the restore file. After that you need AceThinker software which you can download from their website. It's a free software but you need to buy it, but you can download it for free. So just simply click on download and you will get the start, just start the download. And if you want to buy this software, simply click on buy. Now guys, as you can see, here is iOS system recovery. Click on it, then select the monthly package. You will get only $20 and you can simply click on add to cart and you can just buy it. So I have already installed this software. Now let me show you the complete process, how you can fix your iPhone recovery issue or stuck issue. Now as you can see, here is a lot of function: iOS system recovery, iOS data and backup restore, WhatsApp transfer, iPhone data recovery. So to fix your iPhone, if your iPhone is stuck, simply click on the iOS system recovery. Click on it. Now as you can see, you can fix 50 plus issues without losing any of your data. Then simply click on start. Now select the standard mode. If you select standard mode, you won't lose any of your data, but if you select advanced mode, your iPhone will be erased. So select the standard mode, then simply click on confirm. Now put your iPhone to the recovery mode and connect it to your PC with your USB cable. So now let me connect my iPhone and put it to the recovery mode. Now as you can see, your iPhone is connected. Now select the device category, iPhone. Now select your device model. So I have iPhone 6s. Then simply click on repair, and if you have downloaded the iPhone restore file, simply click on select the firmware package. Now click on it. Now select the ISO file. Here is it. Just double click on it. Now it will take a few seconds to verify your firmware. Now guys, simply click on confirm and continue. Don't click on use advanced mode, just select confirm and continue. Now it will take a 5 to 10 minutes to recover your phone, so just wait for it. Now guys, as you can see, my iPhone is turned on without losing any of my data. That means my iPhone is repaired successfully. Now as you can see on the software, you have repaired your device successfully. Now let me enter my passcode. Now as you can see, here is WhatsApp and YouTube. That means I didn't lose any of my data and the phone is recovered successfully on the latest version. So let me go to the setting and show you my iOS version. So guys, this is how you can fix your iOS device if your iPhone is stuck or disabled. So thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Our link will be in description. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.